Yeah. Real lights. Yo. I walked in the courtroom, no lawyer beside me. Proceed litigant, learning what the law provides me. Not just words on paper, not just a courtroom scene. Motions is the language where the truth gets seen. Emotion is a request asking the judge to act. Not a rumor, not an argument, it's supported by a fact. You bring your reasons, your evidence, your file. You ask for a ruling after review of your style. Motion for records, let me see what was filed. Orders and pleadings from the courtroom compiled. The record tells the story, dates don't disappear. The truth gets cleaner when the documents are here. Motion for relief when an order needs review. Show the court the facts and what happened to you. If there was no notice, if rights weren't respected, the issue gets raised and the record gets inspected. Motion, hear what I say. A request to the court to decide the way. Facts in the record, evidence in view. Asking for justice with the law as my tool. Motion, page by page, learning my rights while I stand on the stage. Notice and fairness, the truth gets shown. I bring my argument, I'm building my own. Motion, this is the key, the language of the court when you stand and proceed. Not just a complaint, not just emotion, a legal request. That's the power of emotion. Motion to vacate, asking to set aside a prior decision where a legal issue may hide. Not saying erase, not saying ignore. It means look at the order and examine it more. Motion for reconsideration, take another look. Revive the fact, the evidence, the pages of the book. A judge sees the argument, the law, and the reasons. A chance to correct when there is error in decision. Motion to modify when circumstances changes. Orders can be reviewed when life rearranged. Facts on the table, changes to explain. The court looks again at what should remain. Motion to proceed, proceed, let my voice be heard. I choose representation, that's the power of the word. A person has the right to stand in their place with respect for the court and the rules of the case. Motion regarding counsel, clarify the role. Who represents me? What is their control? The record should show what authority was given, so every decision follows the law it was driven.
Motion to unseal what is closed away. Ask the court for access under the proper way. A seal has a purpose, a reason must remain. Transparency matters when fairness is the aim. Motion to preserve evidence, protect what exists. Records and documents that cannot be missed. Because facts are the foundation where arguments stand. Truth is the strongest tool that a litigant has in hand. Child support questions, Title 14 in the frame. Federal rules and procedures connected to the claim. 42 U.S. 6666, study the design. Understanding enforcement, one step at a time. 2 cases, 1 journey, 1 lesson I learned. The court has procedures at every turn. From the first filing page to the final decision. Motions are the language of legal precision.